a short demonstration on how to install the Startech IDE2SATA adapter into the 3D printed part for a 3.5-inch hard drive. So what you need to do is slide the corner into this little notch right here. Just slide it into there like that. And then there's another little notch over here. Let's see if you can see it. See right there, there's a little notch right there that holds it in place. So after you slide it in here like that, you can gently bend this right here a little bit that way to make it go under until it locks in. You see it right there. So see, once it's past that, and then you just slide it up into place under this one, and it's in place now. And then you can connect it to your hard drive like that, and install it into the